Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You love my videos. God bless you, and just God give me this opportunity. I'm helping you many ways. So thank you for your messages and calls. So please WhatsApp me always because it's difficult to speak on the phone. So yeah, so I'm helping in you many ways. So I got one good news because a lot of people asking me they got blocked from the Uber because of customer complaint and they did not do anything. So I was receiving about maybe 10-15 these kind of message every week. I thought, what should I do? So I contact with the company. So they provide cameras. So these cameras is very good. These cameras are TFL approved. It will record in the front, inside the car, at the back as well. So if in case of any emergency, you can press the panic button and it will start recording as well. So I work with a company, so means we provide these cameras. So if you need it, TFL approved camera to fit it in your car, so please contact with me, so we will sort this out. So our engineer will come to your place and we will fix it. And this is a very good because this is the iCloud recording, because a lot of people have cameras, they have to put the memory card and they have to check the memory full or not, and the many cases when they need it, they don't record because the memory was full. So but in this we have a cameras, they record unlimited. So thank you so much. I'm looking forward to hear from you, and we provide PCO cards on rent as well if you need it. So just WhatsApp me. Thank you so much. God bless you.